Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to show you a brand new product that can provide plenty of power for your next camping trip. It fits somewhere between the smaller battery banks and the gigantic portable power stations, but it includes the benefits of both of those into a single product that's small, it's incredibly portable, and it has plenty of power to charge your phone a couple of times, a tablet, or even your laptop whenever you're away from home. It's really a great accessory, again, for your next camping trip, or if you're going fishing, maybe you're taking a long hike, or you just need a little bit of power in your next road trip to charge up the kids' video games or a tablet or a phone in the back of the car. Now, I'm going to get into all the features this product provides in a minute, but I always like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included, and then I'll dive into the specifications. But more importantly, I want to talk about what makes this product special if you're a fan of the outdoors. So if you go camping a lot or a fishing trip, this product could come in really handy. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the power bank. You'll also find a charging cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C. You can plug this end into any standard USB wall charger. The other end of it plugs into the front of the unit, and you can fully charge this unit in about 2.5 hours if it's depleted. Now, if you have half a charge on it, it's going to take less time to charge, but it charges really quickly. You'll also find two other unique cables in there. It's a USB-C to barrel connection. Now, the USB-C would plug into the front of the unit. The barrel connection can plug into a portable DVD player or something else that charges through a barrel connection. And there are two of these included. So there's a larger one and a smaller one. And you'll notice a little brick right here that has a switch on it between 9 volts and 12 volts. So depending on what voltage you need to charge that external device, you can simply plug this end of it into the unit in the front, plug the barrel into that portable product, and decide 9 volts or 12 volts, and you can charge it directly from the unit. Those are unique cables. I haven't seen those included with any other portable power solution that I've reviewed. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included, which lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a whole lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. So always read through that manual and make sure you understand how to use the unit and you get the best value out of it. All right, so basic specifications. It has 194 watt hours of internal capacity, which equates to about 62,000 milliampere hours. So if you think about portable battery banks that you can slide in your pocket, they're like 10,000, 20,000 milliampere hours. So this one is 6 or 3 times as large as a portable battery bank. It's not as big as some of the portable power stations, but honestly, when you're heading out for a day of fun, you want to bring the portable power solution along that makes sense. Now, if you're going on a camping trip for a couple of days, the battery bank's too small. Portable power stations are typically too big because they're large and they're expensive. This is really right in the middle. It's the great size to bring along, again, to provide plenty of power for anything you need. In addition to that, the unit has 4 USB connections on the front. 2 of those are USB-A, which is the standard older connector, and they'll provide 18 watts of charging. So anything you're plugging in at home to a USB wall charger, you can plug into those 2 USB-A ports up front, and it'll charge that product pretty quickly. But there are also 2 USB-C connections on the front, and that's the newer connection. It's the smaller one that you'll find on modern phones and tablets and game consoles. And both of those USB-Cs on the front provide 100 watts of charging capabilities, which means you can use this to charge a large tablet or even a laptop. In most cases, will charge off those 100 watt ports on the front. So you've got plenty of power inside the unit and 2 easy ways to deliver that power. In addition to that, you've got a modern battery chemistry, which means you can charge it and it'll hold on to the charge for quite a long time. A lot of the portable solutions on the market, they don't hold the charge. So if you charge them on a Monday, by the time you head out on the camping trip on a Friday, they may be down to 50% of their capacity. This one, you charge it on a Monday, you go camping on a Friday, it's going to have the full charge. It also has military specification protections built in. So what they've done with this product is they've built in a new technology called SiC, which is silicon carbide, and that's the latest technology for ruggedness when you take it out in the outdoors. So this unit has military spec reliability built in. It also has a very sophisticated battery management system, and that's really important because it protects the batteries when you're charging it. It also protects external devices that you connect to the unit to make sure that you're not going to damage that expensive tablet or phone or maybe computer. So they've really thought about what you're going to use the unit for. One thing I really like about it too, and this again comes in when you're camping, is on the top there's a light. So when you turn the unit on, let me turn it on real quick. It's on right now. If I push the button in the front, it'll come on low. Tap it again, it'll come on bright. Tap it again, I've got a flashlight. Tap it again, I've got an emergency light. And here's the cool part. A lot of other companies are designing portable power solutions like this with a light on them. not many of them have a light that's removable. It's magnetically attached on the top. There are 2 pogo pins and 2 pads right here that charge it from the internal power. So you can take this with you when you're heading out in the trail for a little bit. Maybe you're doing a little exploring, you've got a flashlight, or you can hang it from your tent as sort of a dome light inside the tent. So imagine being out there on a camping trip and you've got this dome light now I can hang on the top, or if I'm heading out on the trail, I can turn on the flashlight and go find, treasures out there on the trail. I just think they really were clever in how they put this together. And then when you get back to the tent, you just pop it back on the top, line up the pogo pins, and it starts charging. So you've got a portable power solution, you've got a flashlight that comes off, you've got a dome light for your tent. Pretty much everything you need for your next camping trip is in this unit, and I can hold it up with one finger. So you've got really powerful energy inside the unit. You've got portability. It's really built to charge all of your thirsty portable devices when you're away from home, and they give you plenty of connections up front to accomplish that, including conversion cables that change the USB-C port on the front to 2 different styles of sized barrel connections, which allow you to charge a lot of other third-party devices. Now, the company itself spent a lot of time designing this. I really like it for a couple of reasons. Number one, plenty of power, plenty of ports. But the portability of it, I can't overstate this, because a lot of times people think, well, I'm going to go camping, I need a big portable power solution, right? So they end up buying a 600 watt-hour portable power station, which is great because it's got plenty of power, but it's heavy and it's expensive. And they'll bring that out on the camping trip and realize, boy, I'm lugging this cinder block along with me out to the campsite, and I'm coming home with 50 or 60, maybe 80% of the charge still on the unit. I've wasted a lot of time and energy carrying that out to the site. Maybe I need something a little bit smaller. This is the great solution that fills that bill. So you don't need to bring a big one with you. Just bring this one along and you've got plenty of power, again, for a long weekend of camping, maybe a fishing trip with your buddies, or if you're heading out on a road trip, this is great to have in the back of the car, and people can plug into the front of it and charge their phone, their tablet, their game consoles while you're driving to your location. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit. And again, I think it's a great product. I think it's incredibly clever. This company's thought through what I'm going to want to do on a camping trip, and they built it into a really nice portable power solution. So hopefully you found this quick review helpful. I like the product a lot, and I think you're going to like it as well. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.